What's that?
What's that? That's a lollipop?
Yeah, lollipop.
You can't eat it. Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you are new here, hello and welcome to you. I'm Anissa, and in today's video, you guys, I got a lot of things going on. I just got ready, I just did my hair. I need to take a thumbnail for my DIY Montessori house bed. Okay, if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It will be linked in the cards up above, over here, over there, down below in the description box. It'll be linked either way. Okay, I hooked Rylan's toddler bed up. I'm so proud of it, you guys. I'm so proud. But anyways, we got a lot of stuff to get done today. We need to run some errands. I need to go to Target because I want to buy some new things for my bathroom. Currently redoing that. I'm working on JoJo's room. I'm trying to get him a shoe rack put up, shelves and all this madness in his room. And then we still got to put the curtains up in my room. Okay, I still haven't done that. And then you guys, my last vlog, I'm so embarrassed because I was standing on my ottoman and I just hate the color of it. I've really been wanting to redo it for a long time, so I think I'm gonna get that done today. Also, I already bought the fabric for it. It's just gonna match and mesh with the house a lot better. So we are gonna be working on a couple of things today. I still need to clean up because we just got back from vacation and your girl's kitchen is a mess. I don't even want to talk about it, but we're gonna get that done also. Okay, so I got a lot of things to do today, a lot of things on my to-do list, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. If you have not already liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up because I mean, why would you wait? Okay, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, I love to hear from you guys, so comment your thoughts and anything you have to ask me down below. Hey, cutie pie. Say cheese. Yeah. Rylan, who's on your shirt, baby? Cool kid. Is that TLC? No. Okay.
Wait, I have the shoes.
Your shoes? Show them your shoes.
I got shoes.
Ooh, what shoes are those? You got some Vans on?
Shoes off.
You want to take your shoes off? Okay. Where you going, baby?
No.
You don't know?
Daddy.
What? Okay. What?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. What you got? Show them what you got. What you got?
Pink.
Pink what?
Why?
You're what? Is it a pink popsicle?
No, it's mine.
Yeah, is it a pink popsicle?
Yeah.
Do you like it? It tastes good. Careful. So changing plans, you guys. We're back home earlier than expected. I couldn't find anything that I needed in the stores pretty much for JoJo's room. So I'm gonna have to end up ordering some things. I don't know why I just didn't do it in the first place. I was yes, lagging, I guess, the vacation.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Daddy.
Yeah. And all of that. So I guess I'm gonna get started on cleaning the house and doing everything else that I need to do, and we'll just have to put JoJo's room on the back burner for the upcoming week. Huh?
Mommy.
Huh? Who's that on your shirt? Tell them who it is. Is that TLC? Yeah. Say TLC, TLC. You gonna say it? Say TLC. You showing them your shirt? Cool.
Here, Mommy.
Give me a donut?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's that?
That looks like a macaroon. Pink.
It can be pink.
Where you going? Okay. You took it off?
Yeah. What's that?
What's that? That's a lollipop?
The lollipop.
You can't eat it. It's not a real lollipop. Take it out your mouth, please. Thank you. Okay. Uh-oh, you drop it. What's that? What's that? You're gonna pour it all out, huh?
Whip, body, whip, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. So, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Yes, I blow your mind, honey. Say it one time, honey. Sick of them lies, tell them goodbye. Get in my ride, I wanna come by. I wanna just listen, get in your vibe, get in your feelings, get in your feelings, none of your business. I wanna get kissed, I wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. You spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
Okay, you guys, so here is my ugly little ottoman bench that we are going to be reworking today. We are going to flip it, change it, rearrange it, and make it something new. I bought this from the thrift store maybe about 5-6 years ago when we kind of first moved into our condo. I actually picked that fabric. I don't know what I was thinking. I hate it, but we are going to change it right now. Watching my girl Cara. Hey girl, hey. All right, you guys, let's get to it.
So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. So, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Okay, you guys, so that is the finished product. I think it looks so good. I'm loving the neutral colors. So happy that blue is gone. It was absolutely driving me crazy, you guys, but I think it looks so good in this space. Remember the pillows that I had got from Hobby Lobby? I ended up returning them, but I kept one just because I got that one at a discounted price, so I couldn't return it. It was final sale, but you guys, it's already kind of late in the day. I need to get started on cooking dinner. The boys are gonna head to practice, and yeah, let me clean up, straighten up this mess I just created, and then we're gonna start dinner. So you guys, we just finished dinner up and little love bug is asleep. I put on Cinderella for her and she fell asleep. Good thing she already had her bath and such. We were just waiting for the boys to get home for practice, but she fell asleep on me, so I'm gonna go lay her down and then I'm gonna clean the kitchen up.
Whip, body, rib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Yes, I blow your mind, honey. Say it one time, honey. Sick of them lies, tell them goodbye. Get in my ride, I wanna come by. I wanna just listen, get in your vibe, get in your feelings, get in your feelings, none of your business. I wanna get kissed, I wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. You spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah, yeah.
So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
So as I'm getting ready to wrap up and take my little self to sleep, look who comes waddling down the hallway. Her sleep has been so thrown off just because of vacation and everything. I've been having a hard time getting her on track. So I don't know if it's the new bed or what, but I'm really thinking that it's the traveling. So we're gonna be up for the next couple of hours, probably 3-4 hours. It's 11:23 currently, and I'm tired.
I want water.
You want water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. Mommy.
What?
What is this?
Oh, that's your belly button. That's your belly button. Belly button, belly button, belly button. Watch your head.